Hello, and welcome to the box room. David Bradley here. So, yes, I've been to the basement, and indeed, I found some buttons. Buttons and pins have always been rather important to me. I collect them here and there and everywhere. Look, there's one from TPUG. There's another from TPUG, a blue one and a white one. And I think they did have orange ones, but I don't know that I have any of those. But there are other buttons that I found in a box. I did. And these go back a ways. There is, of course, the something fell. Oh no, the I love my Commodore computer button. That's a big one, and it's lovely. I've worn them on hats and things and stuff, and other times I found them in other bunches that I've got buttons from other people. Magical. I will set that down. I wonder what fell. I don't see what fell. Well, something fell. Oh, look. There's another I love my Commodore computer button. I will set that there. Oh, look. There's another. But that is not all that's in this bag. What else is here? Oh. World of Commodore. 1958 to 1983. So that, wow. 93. So that means that if Commodore was still around now, it would be 65 years old. Yeah, 65. It would be ready to retire. Which, of course, sadly, it already has. Oh, there's another World of Commodore button. Sorry, 25 years. Oh, here's another. Commodore, #1 in the world of microcomputers. Let's get closer. Anyway, I suspect I will be assembling a fresh hat for this show. Just trying to look and see. Are they mostly the same? Oh, what is that? Yeah, there's... Okay, a lot of them are 25 years. Wait, here's a smaller one. What is this? Commodore proudly supports young... I can't even read that. I don't know what it says. Anyway, Commodore proudly supports something. Which maybe you can see better than I if I hold it up there. Anyway, I only have one of these. Anyway, yes, I will be putting together a new hat. And the other buttons that are in here are in fact ones that we had made for the bulletin board that we ran long ago called the Nortec BBS. Run out of Northern Secondary School when we were there as students. Of course, it's long since dead. It doesn't matter. See, the number, it's only got 7 digits. It doesn't have 10. It's no longer there. But it was a great thing while it was there. We ran it out of the library. So it looks like that is the extent of this. But anyway, I suspect, be putting together another hat soon for the... Well, why would I do that? Because the world of Commodore is coming. I don't know all the details, but I know it is planned for December 2nd and 3rd, being presented by the Toronto Pet Users. I dropped a button. The Toronto Pet Users Group, otherwise known as TPUG, which has been around since I think 1978. Not as long as Commodore, but a very long time. And it will be great. So stay tuned for more information on the world of Commodore. And we'll see what other buttons I can find. Thanks for being here. Bye for now.